How to DM someone on Twitter or X. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to DM someone on X or Twitter account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch X or Twitter app on your device. Search icon at top left corner and search for that particular user to whom you want to DM. So once you have searched for that particular user, you need to get into their messaging section where it is notified that you have to get verified to message this Sapotani. So you have to tap subscribe today, then only you'll be able to send direct message requests to people that don't follow them. So in order to DM someone, they must or you must follow some requirements for messaging, such as you can DM someone if they follow you and you follow them. The second is some users may have their settings open to receive DMs from anyone, while other restrict messages to followers or mutual followers only. So if you have a verified account, you can message most users unless they especially turn on this option. So once you become verified, you can easily DM this user on X or Twitter. So if you have any people or user to whom you have followed and they followed you back, then you can easily DM that user as well. So this is the perfect way to DM someone on Twitter or X. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.